Good morning, friends. Today I will teach you about the 12th standard next chapter, that is the enhancement in food production. Enhancement in food production. In this chapter, we are going to study the plant breeding, then study about the hybridization, technique of hybridization, emasculation, different types of emasculation, then study about the biofortification, then tissue culture technique, and some resistant high yielding varieties of plant. All these are included in this plant breeding. Then afterwards we study about the microbes in human welfare. So in this plant breeding, first we have to study about the what is meant by plant breeding. Breeding means crossing. It is mostly done in plants. This plant breeding is nothing but it is a technique of changing and improving the heredity of plant is called plant breeding, because that is the art and science. कलात्मक and scientifically शास्त्र पद्धतीचा वापर करतात. This plant breeding have the steps. There are 5 steps are there in plant breeding. First one is collection of variability. Second is evaluation and selection of parents. Then cross hybridization, selection and selfing, testing and releasing of commercialization of new cultivators. So first one is collection of variability. Collection of variability is nothing but collection of different wild varieties of species. All the diverse alleles means pairs. Wild varieties mostly present in rural areas, mostly present in forest areas. Collect it. जो वाइल्ड वैरायटी रहते हैं उसको कलेक्ट करके सब इकट्ठा करने का. Then genetic variations are heritable and useful in selection. And all these are should be hereditary character, pure line varieties. And that genes are collected, widely used in plant breeding. All that selected genes means collection of variability. Various seeds are collected, they should be pure line variety. And it have the resistant power, germinating power. All these are used in plant variability. Then study the evaluation and selection of parent. The 2 parent plant with desirable character in pure form are selected. That evaluation means select the pure line variety of plant. It should have the desirable character. जे हेल्दीयर असतील ते आपल्याला घ्यायचे आहेत and select करायचे आहेत. And they should be have pure line variety means homozygous. And it should have desirable. Then identify plant are selected and used for hybridization. That identify means that selected and used in cross hybridization. Then third one is cross hybridization. The selected parents are cross hybridized. जो प्लांट्स रहते, सीड्स रहते, वो सिलेक्टेड प्योर लाइन रहते, दोनों इकट्ठा लेकर क्रॉसिंग करते. देन क्रॉसिंग ऑफ 2 selected parents, 1 or more characters. क्रॉस 1 और 2 रहे तो. And they forms the hybrid vigor, that is heterosis. तो अपन को hybrid variety मिलती है. Then that hybrid plant used in selection and selfing of superior recombination. Means the progeny obtained after the hybridizations are observed. Progeny, single individual born, that is the progeny which is obtained. जो मिला है वो hybrid variety मिली है, उसे observe करना चाहिए. Then progeny carefully observe and then evaluate scientific for plant breeding. Scientifically we are using for crossing, for plant breeding. That superior and parent shows hybrid vigor, obtain homozygosity means similar. Then testing and releasing of commercialization of new cultivator. That is the fifth one, last one. A newly developed variety is tested for yield, quality, disease resistance. जो न्यूली डेवलप वैरायटी है वो टेस्टेड किया जाता है, हाई यील्डिंग वैरायटी रहती है. एंड इवेल्युएशन आज कैरिड आउट बाय ICAR, इंडियन क्रॉप एग्रीकल्चर रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट रहती है, वो न्यू दिल्ली में वो कैरी, इट कैन बी इवेलुएट or it can be sanctioned by the ICAR. Then the evaluation is done by growing plants in research field under the control condition of fertilizer, application, irrigation, crop management. So under control condition में fertilizer कैसा वापरने का है, application, irrigation, crop management कैसी करने की है, and then tested by the agencies like IARI and permission by the government to give the new name. That is one type of patent, and it can be permitted by the Indian Agriculture Research Institute. Then objectives of plant breeding. All these are the techniques. All these are the steps of plant breeding. Then objectives, that is the importance. That objective is nothing but to increase the high yielding crop plant. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कैसा प्रोडक्टिविटी मिलती है, हाई यील्डिंग वैरायटी. इट कैन बी ऑप्टेन डिसीज रेजिस्टेंट वैरायटी, रोग प्रतिकार शक्ति बोलते हैं. टू ऑप्टेन ड्रॉट रेजिस्टेंट वैरायटी, पाण्याचा ताण सहन करणारी व्हरायटी आपल्याला बघायची आहे, वेर इट कल्टिवेटेड. टू इन्क्रीज द अडॅप्टेबिलिटी ऑफ क्रॉप प्लांट, निसर्गानुसार बदल कसं होईल त्या पद्धतीने ते क्रॉप कसं चांगलं मिळावं त्याच्यासाठी आपल्याला अडॅप्टेबिलिटी पाहावं लागतं, त्याचं अडॅप्टेशन. अँड इलिमिनेटेड अनवॉन्टेड कॅरेक्टर फ्रॉम प्लांट, जो प्लांट में रहते नष्ट करणारे, दॅट इज द इलिमिनेटेड अनवॉन्टेड कॅरेक्टर्स, दोज आर नॉट यूज. टू प्रोड्यूस द न्यू हायब्रिड व्हरायटी ऑफ प्लांट, वी गेट द गुड क्वालिटी, क्वांटिटी अँड मोर प्रोडक्टिविटी बाय दिस plant breeding. So it is mostly used in plants. Now, the next, that is the hybridization. Hybridization, and it have the different steps. Hybridization, that is nothing but plant breeding or hybridization is a technique in which desirable characters of two parent plants brought together in offspring. Two parents get together and cross it, and from that we get the offspring, and it have the steps. The different steps are there in hybridization: selection of parent, then emasculation, then bagging, then collection of pollen grain, then collection of seeds. So in this hybridization, first one is selection of parent. The two parent plants with a desirable character, they are pure line, it can be selected. These grown in mass or pedigree, means mass means gut, all get together, and pedigree means vanshawar. Growing, then these parent plants are isolated. Then it can be isolated means separate from other plant. Then emasculation. Emasculation is nothing but removal of anther from the flower. That is called the emasculation. Then bagging. Emasculated flowers are covered with bag made up of butter paper. This step is called bagging. Bagging is nothing but do not enter the foreign pollen grains when you are doing the hybridization. Then collection of pollen grain. Collection of pollen grain from the male parent plant are collected. Then these pollen grains are dusted on the stigma of female parent. This flower is again enclosed polythene bag to avoid the entry of unwanted pollen grains. Means collection of seeds, that pollen grain should be healthier. It can be collected. It can be dusted on the female plant, stigma of gynoecium, and then it can be packed with the help of polythene. There is no entry of foreign pollen grains. And at last, collection of seed. Last में क्या रहता है? Healthier seeds कैसे मिलते हैं? Always collected from the fruit of female parent, then seeds are sown to obtain the F2 generation. That is the second filial generation. The plants are homozygous. Such plants are release away a new plant of hybrid variety. For example, cotton, wheat, etc. So, collection of seed. We get the healthier seed. It can be sown. From that we get the healthier variety, more productivity, more quantity, quality. So that is the hybridization steps. Then third one is emasculation. Emasculation is nothing but the removal of anther from the flower. It's called emasculation, and it have the different types: hand emasculation, hot water emasculation, and suction pressure emasculation. All these are the three types. Hand emasculation, with the help of hand we are removing the anther from the flower. It's called hand emasculation. It is mostly done in larger flower. जो बड़ा फ्लावर रहता है उसमें हैंड इमेस्कुलेशन का वापर करते हैं. Example, China rose. China rose is nothing but the jasmine. It is also called as hibiscus flower. Then hot water emasculation. The stamens are dipped in hot water to eliminate the viability of pollen grains to avoid the self-pollination. It is mostly done in small flower, that is the pea plant. Example is pea plant. And third one is suction pressure emasculation. The suction pressure emasculation is nothing but the pollen grains from minute flower. सबसे छोटा जो flower रहता है उसमें it can be sucked with the help of suction pressure. We exert the pressure and sucks that. And after that stigma are washed. Example mostly occur in jawar, maize, etc. Single seeded monocotyledonous plant में वो उसका वापर करते हैं. Suction pressure का वापर होता है. So all these are the three types, three methods of emasculation. आपको ख्याल में आया होगा. इसमें इंटरेस्टेड चैप्टर है और इसमें अपना एक पार्ट इनका डायग्राम भी रहते. emasculation की with the help of forceps method emasculated that flower. You can identify and give the names. Then afterwards when to study about the bagging, tagging flower, वो सब इमेस्कुलेशन में है. वो डायग्राम उसका पॉलीथीन अपना फॉर एग्जांपल जासवन का लिया जाता है, उसमें अपना बैगिंग किया रहता है, टैगिंग किया रहता है, वो आइडेंटिफाई करना चाहिए. सो ऑल दीज आर इंक्लूडेड इन एनहांसमेंट इन फूड प्रोडक्शन. सो टुडे वी स्टडी अबाउट द प्लांट ब्रीडिंग एंड हाइब्रिडाइजेशन एंड इमेस्कुलेशन. सो लाइक इट, शेयर इट and subscribe it. Thank you.